Pocket.com.
Good morning, guys. Wanted to show you this really quick while I'm doing it. I'm going to show you how to make a carrot juice on the Aicok juicer. This is my favorite at-home juicer. It's so small and it's so easy to clean. It's so easy to juice. It turns juicing into a much simpler task, whereas like a Breville or an Omega can be really, really annoying. We're going to make a carrot juice. Where's my pitcher? I'm going to juice 2 oranges, 1 sour apple, a piece of ginger, and maybe a cup of carrots. Ginger. It does pretty good with oranges. It gets most of the juice out. And I left the rind on for those. When I was buying this juicer, I originally bought it for wheatgrass and sunflower sprouts, but I saw that it could do hard vegetables, so I was really impressed with that. Alright guys, that does it. I hope this was helpful. Kind of chunky.